Tutandika annyonnyole gy'owandiise.
We are going to synthesize propan 1-ol to ethylamine. How are you going to do it? Propan 1-ol is written like this with 3 carbon atoms, first of all, and ethylamine is written like this. Ethyl means 2 carbon atoms plus the amine group. I'm going to first use the strong oxidizing agent, which is permanganate. Permanganate in presence of an acid, and I heat it. After heating it, I'm going to get a propanoic acid. After getting a propanoic acid, I'm going to use ammonium carbonate, and I heat it together with this one to form propanamide. After getting propanamide, I'm going to use Hofmann's degradation reaction. I'm going to use bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. I'm going to warm. After getting bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, I'm going to warm. After that, I'm going to reduce to this carbon atom is going to remove, and I remain with this amine only, and ethylamine is made. And ethylamine is made. That is number 1. Now, number 2, we are going to first number 2, this compound, to this one, to propan 1-ol. This one I'm going to change the propanol into propan 1-ol. How am I going to do it? I'm going to first reduce this one. I'm going to first reduce this one using lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of dry ether. To get a secondary alcohol, which is propan 2-ol. A secondary alcohol. After that, I'm going to dehydrate it using concosulfuric acid under 180 degrees Celsius. To get propene. After that, I'm going to use hydrogen bromide in the presence of a peroxide. Do you know a peroxide? Peroxide is written like this. I'm going to use hydrogen bromide in the presence of a peroxide. After using it, this is anti-Marconi-Scoffus rule. This bromine atom is going to attach here. Bromide ion is going to attach here, and the hydrogen ion is going to attach here. That is an anti-Marconi-Scoffus rule. Hydrogen bromide, bromine. After that, I'm going to use sodium hydroxide, but it must be aqueous, not solid. Sodium hydroxide aqueous, and I'm going to heat it. Remember to write the condition is, I'm going to heat it. I'm going to hit this one to get a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Now that number is stopped. Now another number, another number. I'm going to this one. This is another number. This is ethyl. This is ethyl. 2. That compound. How am I going to do it? I'm going to first ethyl. I'm going to first increase the carbon atoms. I'm going to first increase the carbon atoms. This one, remember to do what? To know the chain. You must know that the chain, this is 2 carbon atoms. First of all, it is 2 carbon atoms. I'm going to use dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid in the presence of mercury 2 sulfate under 60 degrees Celsius. I'm going to convert it into ethanol. After converting it into ethanol, I'm going to use another method. I'm going to use dilute sodium hydroxide. Dilute sodium hydroxide. This one is going to be converted to another compound. Converted to another. This is propane. I'm going to double this chain. I'm going to first double the chain. First wait. This one. I'm going to convert the mechanism you will see in the next video. I'm going to first double the chain.